In JEST exam syllabus, there are mathematical methods, classical mechanics, electromagnetism and optics, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical physics, electronics. Today, we will learn first topic of classical mechanics. Newton's laws. There are 3 Newton's laws of motion. The first law states an object will not change its state if external force is not applied. That means an object in rest will be stay at rest forever if no external net force is applied. So, if applied force is 0, then the velocity of the object will always be 0. And an object which is moving at constant velocity will move at that velocity forever if no external force is applied. No force, no velocity change. The second law states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is equal to the force applied to it. Now, momentum is mass multiplied by velocity. Here, mass is constant because velocity is far less than speed of light. This dvdt term is nothing but acceleration. Thus, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. The third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Harder you punch the wall, more will be the pain. Let's sum up the 3 laws. First law states no external net force means no change in velocity. Second law states force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Third law states every action has its equal and opposite reaction. Here goes 3 Newton's laws of motion.